Hello, welcome to C programming. In this video we are going to see a C program. It's a calculator program. So let us begin the program with including all the necessary header files in it. #include stdio.h for standard input inclusions in our programs. #include conio.h for standard console input operations like CLR, SCR and getch in our program. So these header files are having the prototypes of console input output operations as well as the standard input output operations. Main method, main function. This main function is the entry point of our C program. Now here we can declare the variables for the calculator. So in this calculator we are planning to have some operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of user's choice. So we can input some numbers. We can input two numbers and we can specify the operation, whether it is addition, multiplication or division, so that it can be carried out according to the user's wish. First of all, we will give two numbers, then we will ask the system to do the calculation, whether it is multiplication, division or addition. That can be done accordingly, and the variables are declared. This character OP is a character type of variable OP that is used to read whether plus, minus, into or division, and user can enter that symbol and that symbol can be used to store here in this variable. CLR CR function can be used to clear the screen so that we can see a fresh screen each and every time when you are running the program. And so let us read the values from the user. Before that we can give a message to the screen, printf, so that the user will be able to know what to do next. So we will give enter to those, and using scanf we can read the values from the user. So for the scanner we can give percentage %d, because here we are using integer type of data to read. A comma b, we can read two values together, so %d, one more. Okay, two values are read here. Now we can read the variable op is equal to getche. Okay, getche is a method function in the conio.h header file. There are two methods, one is getch and another one is getche, more or less similar. But in the case of getche, it will echo the character which user has typed, but in the case of getch, it will not echo. The character which is typed on the keyboard will directly stored in this value, but it will not display on the screen if you are using getch. But we are using getch. We want to see what is the character, whether it is typed or not. Okay, so we have read two values and the operator. Now we can go for the programming decision. If suppose the programmer has chosen for plus operator, then what to do? So op equal to, if suppose op equal to, this is the logical equal to operator for comparison operator, and we can check if it is plus, we can go for addition. If it is plus, then we can go for addition. We have a variable sum equal to a plus b. So both the values can be added and the result will be there in the sum. And similarly we can have the same kind of code in the other cases also. If the user is inputting minus, into and all, So the same code we can paste here. Once again, okay, suppose if the usage choice is minus, then what we have to go for subtraction, and that value will be there in the variable sum. And if suppose it is multiplication, then we have to go for multiplying these two values, and multiplied value will be there in the sum, variable sum. And if you want to divide, then we can go for the division operation. So all the operations are done here. Okay, finally here we will be getting the answer in the variable sum. Any one of the operation might have been done according to the usage choice, so we can go for printing printf yeah, we will get the we will display in this way, percentage d, percentage c, percentage d equal to percentage d, comma, first one is a, op, oh sorry, one thing I forgot, actually in the scanf we have to use ampersand here, because we are going to read the value and save into the address location. But in the case of printf, it's not at all needed, comma, sum. So almost over, we read all the values and the operator calculated according to the choice of operator, then printing the result. Now we can close the program. I am going to give a get ch for the user screen to stable, and yeah, that's all. I suppose we can run and see the program. Oh, there is some spelling mistake in 2 numbers. I'm going to enter 12 and 3, and now I have to give the operator. I'm going to give into 12 3s are 36. Yeah. So let me correct those mistakes. NUMBER, and somewhere here I have to give a slash, and then it will be looking a little better. Slash n, print f, here also I'll give 1 slash n. Now in the 2 numbers I'm going to give 3 plus 4, I'm going to give the symbol plus, yeah, 3 plus 4 equal to 3 plus equal to 7. Yeah. So this is a simple calculation. If you give any of the operator after giving 2 numbers, you can do the calculation. So I have a problem here. One of my friends give me a problem. In his program, he want to do the program continuously using a while loop. So I'm using while loop here. So here I am going to do a little indentation adjustment so that the program will be little more clear. Okay. Indentation is actually helpful for understanding the code as well as, yeah, after understanding we can go for debugging and modification of the program. So that is the idea of debugging. And here I am going to end the while loop. So how to end the while loop? So this is the while loop, while 1. So this condition is always true and it will never end. So we can give some choice here. here printf, and here we can give a message, enter operator plus minus into division or E for exit. If you want to exit out of the program, then you please press E. That's the meaning. So here, after printing the answer, I can give an if C equal to, within quotation, E, then break. Break statement is used to bring the flow of control out of the loop. So it will come out of the while loop and the program will exit. And if C equal to lowercase e, if also break. So whether the user is inputting the lowercase or uppercase e, it should break out of the loop, and this is the program. So let me give some name for the program. I am giving tt.c. Let me run this program. Here is one error, undefined symbol C. Okay, this is not C, actually it is OP. If OP equal to control F9, enter two numbers 12 and 4, enter any operator. Okay, I have entered minus, yeah, but all of a sudden everything gone, I couldn't see the output. Okay, let me press E to exit. Yeah, it is not exited, it is directly going back to the program. So here we have to give one ch. Okay, control F9, again error, missing semicolon. I forgot to put a semicolon after get ch. Yeah, control F9, I am going to enter 12 and 4, and operation I am going to give is plus. Yeah, 12 plus 4 is 16, and again it is asking for two numbers. Now I want to exit, even then I have to unnecessarily enter the values, it's not good. So I'm going to give these values and E. So I'm getting the output now, but here there is some conflict in the program. For its perfection, what we have to do is here we can take off this choice from here, and here we can ask we can put another printf. Do you want to exit? E for exit. So that means we have to press E here for exiting. Let me save it and write once again two numbers. I am going to always I am entering the same number. Okay, I am giving 5 and 4. I am going to choose multiplication. Yeah, the answer is 20. Do you want to exit? Yes, but it didn't. Okay, suppose I have been given the break, the control break. Oh, is closing the program. Something wrong, seriously. So I want to open my program once again. C colon and going, and no, not in C, it's in D, and it's in C, and I have TC here. Yeah, this is my TC. Turbo C compiler ID. Okay, file and open. I suppose I have saved it somewhere here with a name TT. Yeah, this here, this is program. Okay, if I missed something at the end. Oh, get ch. I haven't assigned the value of OP to get ch. That's why it is not ready. Okay, now it will be okay. If I run Control F9, it's asking for two numbers. This time I'm going to 3 and 4, and I'm going to choose multiplication operation. Yeah, 20 and exit. Okay, but before this one, if I give one slash n, it will be better. Control F9, 12 and 5, multiplication 60. Do you want to exit? Yes. If you press any, it will go again. Enter two numbers, 5 and 2, minus is 3, exit. Even if you press capital letter E or small letter E, it will exit. And of course, if you want to change the program with floating type, there is no difference. You just change the type int into float, it will work. I have tested too, and this is the only condition for our program. Okay, if you want to make the program more better, if suppose the user is pressing anything else other than plus, minus, into, slash, some other thing is pressed, so nothing is going to be done, and you will be getting some junks of characters as output. It's not good. I'm giving 23 P. Okay, instead of pressing any of these characters, I pressed K. So some strange things are coming, and it should not happen. So for handling that thing, we have to modify this program into with more some perfection. Let us try this program. Let us try those modifications later. I hope you have got the idea of this loop and how to exit from the while loop. So if you write the program code in a systematic way with proper indentation, it will be, indentation means giving, so these things coming under main, so we are leaving a space here, and the things coming under while is we are giving a space, and of course from the loop itself, if this if condition is applicable only here. So like that, if you can specify our sentences or statements with the indentation, it will be more good. This get ch is not under while, so that's what it means. So please try this program, and please try to write the program with indentation, so it will be very easy for us to understand. So I hope you have got the idea of this program, and please try it by yourself. In the next video, we will discuss how to make the program more false proof. Even if the user is giving some other character other than the operators, then also it should not give strange values. It should give some error message and stop. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.